Hey everyone, this is Jennifer from Junk Journals by Jen, where journaling is about the journey. How are you all doing today? Today I want to share with you a new Christmas journal that's in my shop. It's this right here. I think it's so cute and I'm super excited to share it. It's very bright and cheerful and really gets you into the Christmas spirit. This is a 6x9 journal made from altered from a book, and it's got a green hardbound cover, and it's got a 2-inch spine with lovely lace and ribbon dangles on the side. You can see. Okay. Pretty collage on the front with some lace and ribbon as well. It's got 3 signatures inside with 10 sheets for a total of 120 pages in the journal. There's lots of room in here for writing or pictures or list making, whatever you want to use it for. I did leave plenty of room for that. It's not as heavily embellished as some of my other journals, but I did that on purpose. The beginning of each signature has lace sewn onto it. Okay, let's just go ahead and start flipping through this. Make sure you can see this well. I think that's good there. All right, we've got a pocket here with some tags that have been reinforced. You can still write on the back of them. A little hidden tuck spot here to write on. And some stenciling on the back. A little ladder that has some words inside of it, hidden words. This is some vellum that's been embossed on my machine. Cheer. I used a beautiful digi kit, and I will include that below which one it was, so you'll know. It's really pretty. It's kind of antique-y. Some antique colored paper. Doily. Okay, this is a four-way pocket. This is out of a Christmas book. A little side tuck here. Sewn journaling card. This was out of a Christmas book as well. On the back side of the other one, I guess. Some music. The inside of the signature is some music paper. It isn't necessarily a Christmas carol, but I did think music reminded me of the holiday season, and I did stencil some stockings and some ornaments on it. Some places to write. Got a little cross-leg design here. Some journaling cards in it. This is for the birds. It's got some cute little cardinals. Another tag with some gold ribbon on the top. You'll see that throughout. It's more of that vellum, embossed vellum. You've got, each signature has a snippet roll that's been sewn and then attached, that has some of the paper from the journal and some of the lace that's used. Little corner or side tuck here. trim. Okay, second signature. We've got lace on it. A little side tuck. Little angel here. She's just precious. Some more music page. Antique paper. Some more vellum, and I've stamped some snowmen on there. You can see them from either side. So cute. Okay, we've got some tags here. Butterflies on the back of that one. This is a little quadruple pocket. Have you been naughty or nice? I think it's a little ticket for Santa. Little deer. This page is really special to me. There's some collage work on both pages with recipes that came out of my mom's old recipe box. There's one for holiday spritz cookies and one for ginger snaps. And these are really, really old. Still good though. Those are the original recipes. More doilies, some more of that trim, some stamping with a stocking, Deck the Halls belly band, and a little postcard. Little mice in a cocoa mug, so cute. Okay, and this is the last signature. This says instructions on how to make a stained glass ornament. This is vellum that's been made into a little corner pocket with this nice, beautiful tag on it. Okay, this is the middle of this signature. Okay, some more collaging over here with a sparkly ribbon, and then you've got a couple of tags over here, these pockets. Little corner tuck with a journaling tag. Got these two half circle corner tucks. May your days be merry and bright. That last snippet roll. Okay, some more of that gold ribbon. Some edging on the paper. And that's the book. Hope you love it. I know I do. So today we looked at the new Christmas journal. Hope you liked it. If you found it helpful or useful and want to see it at my Etsy shop, please visit it. I'll link it below. That's all for today at Junk Journals by Jen. Remember, journaling is about the journey. See you soon. Bye, guys.